Hello friends, in yesterday video we have shared Adani Power Techno Funda analysis, and in last 2 days we have got many stock names in the comment section. So we are planning to upload one video for one stock every day so that we can cover all the major stocks in which the viewers want our analysis. So I will try to upload one video every day now for this particular playlist. So let's start with today's stock analysis. So today's stock is Adani Enterprise. As you can see now, I have opened the weekly chart. So currently the stock is just making an up move, sharp up move. So it is just going up and up in straight line on the weekly time frame. So there is no support or resistance, I would suggest currently on weekly time frame because of this parabolic up move. I will open a daily chart now. So as you can see, this blue line is a support for Adani Enterprise, and most of the time the stock had took support at this particular level. Here, 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 it is near to this level, this particular range. So in the future also, this particular blue line will be a support line for Adani Enterprise, and in case this line breaks, then the stock can see a down move. Also, another support line for Adani Enterprise would be this particular red line. It was acting as a resistance for Adani Enterprise in the past for around 2 months, and now it had, as you can see, now it had broken this particular resistance line. So if we see support, so this particular resistance line will be now support for Adani Enterprise now. And if we see in upcoming days also, I think the level from 1400 to 1500 would be a support for the Adani Enterprise. So swing traders can note down this level and try to buy near this particular support levels that Adani have. So the level is 1400 to 1500. At this point, if there is some reversal happening, then one can grab the opportunities for short term. So now let's look at the fundamental analysis of this company. So as you can see, the company is profit and loss statement. So company is like revenue is increasing for year on year, and also the company net profit is increasing now, and EPS is increasing. Company is paying dividends also. If we see the balance sheet, then earlier the company had huge borrowings. Now the company's borrowing is had reduced from 83,000 crores to around 12,000 to 15,000 crores. So it has reduced drastically. So company is focusing on debt reductions now. Also, the company reserves is increasing. The major criteria is the reserve should be more than borrowings. And as you can see, for March and 2020 and FY21, the reserves is greater than borrowings as well. Apart from this, if you look the promoter holdings, then promoter is holding around net 74.92% stake, and it is constant for around 2 to 3 years. Also, if we see promoter pledging ratio, then the promoters have pledging have reduced in the last 1 year from 49% to 6%. So company, the promoters are reducing their pledge. So this is first the negative sign for the company. If the promoters have still pledged their shares, unless the company promoters reduce their pledges to make it zero, I don't think so. It is a positive sign. So it is a red flag for the company now. For investment purpose, I would suggest to wait for the promoters' action. Let them unpledge all their shares, and then one can look to add this stock near a support level. Don't so and don't jump into this running train already, because it is now moving. Had given already a parabolic up move, and whenever if it goes down also, so it will uh, uh, give a huge loss as well. And sometimes this parabolic up move is not sustainable, so one should keep a tight stop loss as well. So swing traders or short-term traders can look for a level of around 1400 to 1500, and investors can wait for the promoter pledging to become zero, and then buy based on the technical charts after that. So this was all about the Adani Enterprise. If you want us to cover any of your stocks, then you can mention it in the comment section, Also, there's a disclaimer attached with this video. Thank you, guys.